Good morning, students. Today we are going to do English Prose Unit 1, The World of Colors. Children, we all know that a colorful heart lives a colorful life. Colors attract everyone in the world. Our Mother Nature is also colorful. We cannot imagine our life without colors. Colors bring happiness, energy, and positivity in life and remove dullness. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn about different colors and their significance through a small story. The first part is the quarreling colors. Long, long ago, there was a quarrel between all colors. All wanted to show and prove their importance. There was a long discussion between all the colors. Violet said that he is the color of humility and wisdom. Indigo said that he is color of silence and we need him for peace and prayer. Blue said that he is the color of water and without water, life is not possible. Green said that he is the best because he is the color of nature. Yellow said that he brings warmth in the world because the sun, the moon, and the stars are yellow. Orange said that he is the color of courage. Red shouted that he is the sign of strength and authority. So, all the colors in this way wanted to prove their importance and prove themselves to be the best. Now we move on to the second part of the quarreling colors. In the second part, let's find out how the quarrel between the colors came to an end. Suddenly, when all the colors were trying to prove their importance, there was thunder and lightning, and it began to rain heavily. All 7 colors heard the voice of angry rain. "You stupid, foolish colors," Rain asked them, "why are you fighting? All of you are having your own importance." Rain said, "Each of you is special, so when I stop the storm, you all hold hands, help each other, and stretch across the sky to make the rainbow. It is a special sign. It is a symbol of unity. If with one difference also we are one, then no one can harm us." All colors understood their mistake. So the storm ended and the colors happily joined hands. So children, we come to the end of this chapter. We are going to do a small activity too on this chapter. There are 3 questions that you will have to write in your notebook along with the answers. Check the answers when we send you the answers after some time. What colors have you seen in the story so far? Which color do you like best? Make a list of things you have seen in your favorite color. All these questions you can answer on your own because they are your personal questions, so you can answer them in your own words. Now let us move on to activity 10. Rest all activities we will do when we come back to school, as they are all group activities. Read the example sentences that use the idiom "once in a blue moon." I only eat sweets once in a blue moon. I really try to take care of myself. The only part of the work I didn't like was once in a blue moon we'd had to stay all night doing paperwork. Once in a blue moon you might get lucky, but the best way to get what you want is to work hard. Now think about these sentences. What do you think once in a blue moon means? Write this down in your prose notebook. Next, we move on. Read the examples that use the idiom "show true colors." When people are under stress, they show their true colors. seemed very loving before the wedding, but afterwards he began to show his true colors. Your willingness to show true colors proves you have nothing to hide. Think about these sentences. What do you think show true color means? This also you have to write in your notebook. Now read the example sentences that use the idiom get the green light. If you want to have a party, you will need to get the green light from both parents. We have the green light now, so we can go build the stadium. I am happy to say you got the green light to go ahead with the sale. Think about these sentences. What do you think go with the green light means? Children, write all the sentences along with what answer you get in your notebooks. Now, the next part, that is the question answers, fill in the blanks, true and false, will be sent to you in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.